Wescoal, it's a smaller company engaged in the mining, processing, procurement and trading of coal, mostly for distribution to clients in local industry, including the power generation, manufacturing and petro-chemicals sectors. Wescoal has a market cap of 113 million rand, and Wescoal's financial year-end results will be released tomorrow. It expects to deliver profits after losses last year. So a good, robust turnaround story is what we're hoping, and let's do a little preview ahead of those results.
Yeah, they already did the trading update in which they said they'd make 1 or 2 cents a share, I think, of profits compared to a loss of nearly 30 cents a share last year.
So the market knows it's going to happen.
Yeah, look, unfortunately, I know quite a lot about this one as well because...
Don't worry, I'll cut you off, as you can expect.
They were part of the sort of family of companies that listed with a friend of mine was their corporate advisor. So they've sort of battled. They're a bunch of ex-MacPhails guys. So in the coal market internally, MacPhails is always the long-standing competitor. So Andre Bouyer and Piet van Janssen van Rensburg and so on have battled along. They've been plagued by difficulty. They failed to pull off a capital raising in a merger with a global company called Anchor Coal. In 2006, they've had a litigation from some contractor down in the Middelburg area, Soota Mining, who tried to sue them and put them into liquidation in a dispute over a contract mining type of transport situation. So this doesn't sound like a massive, hot up tip, but they're solid guys. They have their offices along Ondekkers Road on the way to Krugersdorp.
Okay, enough from you.
They smoke in the office, but
Craig, please help me out here. All right, your stance on Wescoal.
So again, he's covered just about everything. But Andre Bouyer, I think he's gone through a tough time with the litigation, and that's held the share price back. But they've had quite a lot of changes over the recent years. I mean, it started out as the Chandler Coal, which is a trading company, washing coal and logistics and whatever else goes into that, and now moved into mining, and the Kanyisa mine was the mine they brought, and that's where they had all these lawsuits and problems with it. So it's taken a while to get where they are. It's quite nice to see the earnings. Just to give you an idea, it was HEPS is estimated at between 11.5 and 13. It's trading at 68 cents, so that's a PE of between 5 and 6. So it seems like value. But if you look, the first half earnings was 7.3 cents. So it looks like they haven't done quite as well in the second half of the year, and they've struggled to produce earnings. So even though a rating of 5 or 6, it's kind of one of those companies I think you want to give them a bit of time.
Hot or not on Wescoal? Are we going to give them any time?
Sure. Look, I know the guys, and I think they try hard. But for me, it's just a little bit too risky to give it a hot. So not hot.
Thank you. Right, we finally got it out of him. You give me so much information, then you can't get to hot or not. Craig, can you get to hot or not on Wescoal for me?
Look, it's not hot from the point of view as I'd like to see if they can pull it off. I think on paper it looks like there's potential, but I'm not sure if they're going to extract what we're hoping out of the ground.